Good morning. I am Dr. Loni Lokwani, Associate Professor, Department of Chemistry, Government College, Kota. Topic of today's lecture is electromagnetic spectrum and absorption radiations, जो कि फर्स्ट यूनिट के यूवी विजिबल स्पेक्ट्रोस्कोपी के अंतर्गत आता है. The arrangement of all types of electromagnetic radiations in order of their increasing wavelengths or decreasing frequencies is known as complete electromagnetic spectrum. The visible spectrum represents only a small portion of the spectrum. The portion above the visible region is called infrared, while below it is the ultraviolet region. As shown in this figure, electromagnetic spectrum. As we know, mu is equal to C upon lambda, means frequency is always inversely proportional to wavelength. So if there is shorter wavelength, energy will be higher, and if longer wavelength, energy will be low. इस फिगर में जैसे दिख रहे हैं डिफरेंट रेडिएशंस, नीचे वेवलेंथ दी गई है नैनोमीटर्स में और मीटर्स में. तो डिफरेंट रेस हैं जो एब्जॉर्ब होती हैं, गामा रेस, एक्स रेस, यूवी, आईआर एटसेट्रा. अब इनके भी बहुत सारे यूजेस होते हैं, जैसे द यूज ऑफ cosmic rays is for the study of ionization of gases. Use of gamma rays is for the study of nuclear properties such as atomic number. The X-ray radiations are used in the inner electronic transitions and is useful for the determination of structure of molecules and crystals. And use of UV and visible radiations is in the electronic excitation by rotational and vibrational changes and useful for the detection of unsaturation, conjugation and aromatic system. And use of IR radiations, infrared radiations is in the vibrational and rotational excitation. And this technique is particularly used for the detection of functional groups in the molecule. IRs को हमेशा जो है functional groups के लिए किया जाता है use, और UV और invisible को जो है unsaturation, conjugation and aromatic system के लिए use किया जाता है. जैसे use of microwave radiation is in the electron spin transitions and rotational excitation like ESR spectroscopy. And use of radio waves is in the nuclear spin transitions and constitutes NMR spectroscopy. And NMR has been used in the study of chemical structures, configurations and conformations of the molecules. So this is the complete electromagnetic spectrum and all radiations. IR radiations have longer wavelengths and are thus less energetic. Cosmic rays carry high energy while radio waves are least energetic. Microwave have larger wavelengths and are used in telephone transmissions. All these radiations travel with the same velocity but differ in the wavelengths or frequency of their waves. तो सभी की जो है वेलोसिटी सेम होती है पर सब उनकी वेवलेंथ अलग होती है, इसलिए इनकी प्रॉपर्टीज भी डिफरेंट होती हैं. जैसे एक्सरे जो है वो ग्लास के थ्रू, मसल्स टिश्यू के थ्रू पास हो सकती है. रेडियो एग्जांपल है ये. रेडियो वेव्स जो है एयर के थ्रू पास हो सकती है. ऐसे यूवी और आईआर रेडिएशन जो है ये रिफ्लेक्शन या डिफ्रेक्शन इन प्रिज्म इनका हो सकता है, प्रिज्म में से डिफ्रेक्शन हो सकता है. तो ये एग्जांपल्स हैं, तो इनकी प्रॉपर्टीज सबकी डिफरेंट हो जाती है. नेक्स्ट, when light radiations are passed through an organic compound, then electrons are excited. The vibrational and rotational energies of the molecules as a whole are quantized. The wavelengths absorbed are measured with the help of a spectrophotometer. Absorption bands are formed which are highly characters of a compound. The technique provides as an excellent tool to ascertain the molecular structure of an unknown substance. This is the summary of spectroscopic techniques. There is radiation absorbed and and their effect on the molecule of a substance and information obtained. So first, ultraviolet absorbed at 190 to 400 nanometers and visible 400 to 800 nanometer, and effect is change in electronic energy levels within the molecule, conjugated unsaturation, conjugation with non-bonding electrons, and extent of pi electron system. IR infrared radiations 667 to 4000 centimeter inverse. Changes in the vibrational and rotational moments of the molecule, detection of almost all functional groups. Specific vibrational frequencies such as CO, OH, NH2 and C triple bond C. Third, radio frequency range 60 to 300 megahertz, and effect is nuclear magnetic resonance induces changes in the magnetic properties of certain atomic nuclei, notably that of hydrogen. Especially hydrogen atoms in different environments can be detected, counted and analyzed for the structure determination. And last, electron beam impact up to 6000 kilojoules per mole, and effect is ionization and fragmentation of the molecule into a spectrum of fragment ions, especially determination of molecular weight and deduction of molecular structure from the fragments obtained. Thank you.